What's up, guys? Got a cult classics figure here, cult classic Hall of Fame, a Saw figure from the movie Saw 3. This is Jigsaw Killer with the pig face, with the pig mask. Features puppet on tricycle. Saw 3. Kind of read the back of the box for you real quick. Okay, it says, obsessed with the teachings of teaching his victims the value of life, John Kramer, a deranged, sadistic serial killer, abducts the morally wayward. Once captured, they must face impossible choices in a horrific game of survival. The victims must fight to win their lives back or die trying. Jigsaw Killer. Okay. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and open this up and see what the figure looks like up close and real and outside the box. Okay, guys, so there he is outside the box. I kind of threw the little paper slip cover behind him there. There's Billy on the bike, Billy the puppet. I actually got Billy the puppet on a bike from another figure. So this is the second one. I also got a life-size Billy the puppet on a tricycle in the horror cave. That's for a later video, but here we are. Here's the pig face, Jigsaw Killer, and as you can see down there, there's the blade coming out of the jacket there, blood on the tip. There is a little bit of problem with the figure standing on its own. I had to lean up against the back there. Very cool piece though. I like this variant. See what I mean, guys? It won't, maybe if I adjust the feet a little, I don't know, I'll have to play with it and see. But it doesn't want to stand up on its own. So at any rate, there we have it. There's Jigsaw with the pig face mask, little puppet on the tricycle. Look, shit's falling all over the place. My sign's falling. This asshole screwing everything up. I'm not doing the video again, so that's that. But there you have it. There's that. There's him. Okay. Cool. You seen enough? Alright. Time to go. See you guys later.